Hello and welcome to the walkthrough of Planica Experience. In this uncut demo, we'll showcase the current features and the immersive environments. This includes 4 segments where you can soar in a hot air balloon over large open areas, 2 segments that let you explore freely on foot, and finally an inspection segment and a dynamic interview with a climate change expert. When you start the experience, there's a short calibration to ensure you're ideally placed within your hot air balloon for the rest of the journey. In the Planica XR experience, tutorial pop-ups help first-time users with controls. Currently a pop-up is displayed because this user hasn't flown in a hot air balloon before. Once the user is ready, the intro sequence begins.
Welcome to Planica. My name is Anja, I'm a sports reporter and this is where I work. Planica is the site of the biggest sporting event in Slovenia, but it is also much more. The Tamar Glacier Valley tells a story of climate change. The mountains around the valley are home to K-cats and numerous fairy tales and legends. Some athletes have become legends too. You can see it right here in front of your eyes. I'll guide you through the experience, so just look around and enjoy exploring.
As you have just seen, we use a mix of 3D meshes, Gaussian Splatting and volumetric video to create an immersive experience. Flying a hot air balloon in real life can be tedious, so in this experience it's simplified with a control panel. The user can select their desired destination. First, we'll go through all the hot air balloon segments. Once the user confirms the destination, the hot air balloon will fly through a portal to get there. The control panel is always available in the hot air balloon segment, allowing the user to quickly move from one location to another. We're about to finish exploring our final hot air balloon segment. Now we're going to switch to an on-foot segment. Like in the first hot air balloon segment, a tutorial is shown to explain how the controls work. The user can easily move with a teleporter by pressing the right stick forward. With the exit button, the user is returned to the hot air balloon. In our final on-foot segment, no tutorial is displayed because the experience already knows the user is familiar with the controls. Last but not least, we have our two most interactive segments, the inspection segment and the climate change interview segment. Let's start with the inspection segment. The inspection segment allows users to view all the Gaussian splats as miniatures. Users can grab the Gaussian splats to inspect them further or even throw them away once they're bored. In our final segment, users can view answers from a climate change expert. The tutorial here explains how users can teleport or walk up to a monitor to start the response from the expert.
In Planica, I don't think there will be no snow in the future at all. However, it's more and more frequent that at an elevation of about 1,000 meters, there will be less snow and more years with not sufficient snow coverage for skiing. In Planica, I don't think there will be no snow in the future at all. However, ski resorts are not generally endangered. If they reach up to high elevations, skiing will still be possible.
Thank you for watching the demo.